Welcome to the Mirage. Today we're giving you a tour of a museum because this will be the last time you see a Mirage room. Why? Because this place has been bought out by Hard Rock Cafe or Hard Rock Casino, Hard Rock something, and they're going to completely renovate this place. Everything's going to look like a giant guitar theme. So this building, I think, is going to get demolished. I think it's happening. So I don't know how long that'll take, maybe another year or two before you see it, but this is what the Mirage room looks like right now.
We're gonna say goodbye.
This is our last hoorah.
Goodbye.
The room is really nice though. I have to say, in terms of
How old is this?
the fact that this is an older room for sure. You could tell it's an older room, babe, because as you mentioned, there's a bit of a smell to this place. It smells a little bit older. How do you explain it? Maybe a little damp, almost a little bit of damp smell. So you need to turn the AC or the heater to kind of air it out. But otherwise, very clean, simple design. It's actually really nice design. Yeah, it's very, very spacious, huh? Right, I mean, look at these cabinets, right? It's got the curve in it, which means, it's all custom made. It's glass top. All right, very nice. And like every hotel now here, it's got the fridge where if you moved anything, you're going to get charged for it. So we brought our own drinks, brought our own snacks. Glass top table here, very nice as well. I would say, for a place this old, the furniture and everything looks pretty nice. I mean, I would say the style is dated.
It's because they always make sure that their furniture lasts. So everything's sturdy.
Yeah, I mean, right? It's very solid, right?
They're probably gonna sell all these. So
And the bed, very nice. I love the lights above the bed that shines down. Makes everyone looks like a sleeping beauty. Test it out, baby. See if it makes you look like Sleeping Beauty. The light hits the face. Oh, yeah. Babe, are you Asian or what? Got Sleeping Beauty here with her shoes on the bed. The headboard is really cool, custom made, real nice.
picture.
I like this design. It's like a picture frame. You know what? We should do something like this. This is actually very easy to build on our own, I think. Get a piece of wood board, 2 long frames like that. Everything looks easy when you don't have to do it. All right, let's check out the bathroom. The bathroom is small. This is probably one of the smallest bathrooms I've seen. I can't even fit in here. This is borderline.
What do you mean? This is big.
This is big? No, I think for most hotels now that we see here in Vegas, this is on the smaller end, for sure. Yeah.
Mirror at home. Actually.
It's not working on one side. How do you fix that? I've always wondered that. Once the mirror starts to go out, the light, what do you do? Screwed, huh? Closet? Alright, typical closet. Good enough. It's nice that they do have a mirror at the front. Big enough for you if you're into that kink, or just making sure you look good before you leave the room. All right, that's it.